Did you know that sickle cell disease, a serious genetic condition, is far less common among Caucasians than in other populations? In this video, we'll explore the surprising reason behind this intriguing fact. Sickle cell disease is caused by a genetic mutation that affects hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. When someone has sickle cell disease, their red blood cells can become rigid and crescent-shaped, resembling a sickle. This abnormal shape can cause the cells to clump together, leading to blockages in blood vessels, severe pain, and even damage to vital organs. But why is sickle cell disease so uncommon among Caucasians? The answer lies in the connection between the sickle cell gene and malaria, a parasitic disease transmitted through the bites of infected mosquitoes. In regions where malaria has been prevalent, like sub-Saharan Africa, people who carry just one copy of the sickle cell gene, known as sickle cell trait, have a natural defense against malaria. The presence of some sickle-shaped cells in their blood makes it harder for the malaria parasite to thrive, offering a protective effect. This evolutionary advantage led to the sickle cell gene becoming more common in these areas. In contrast, malaria has never been native to Europe, so the sickle cell gene didn't provide any survival advantage there. Without the pressure of malaria, the gene didn't become widespread among Caucasian populations. As a result, sickle cell disease is much rarer among people of European descent. However, it's important to remember that Caucasians can still carry the gene, especially if they have ancestors from regions where malaria was common. This connection between sickle cell disease and malaria illustrates how our genes can be shaped by the environments our ancestors lived in. It's a fascinating example of how a genetic trait that causes a serious disease can also provide a life-saving benefit in certain circumstances.